Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Chinese contractors. Now, do you remember when the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project was being started? The Harbor View to Portland leg, the one on the east coast of Jamaica. So much discussion was about why are the Chinese contractors getting all the work. You guys remember? What about the local contractors? So it was decided that the main contractor for that road project would be China Harbor Engineering Company. But in the contract it says that China Harbor Engineering Company should use 10 local subcontractors to assist with the building of the road. Now, they had wanted the local contractors to basically get the experience, and everybody was crying down the government about the Chinese getting all the work, to put it in a nutshell. So, let's fast forward 5 years later, and the Jamaican people are calling for China Harbor Engineering Company to do the work. How times have changed, eh? No, I mean, it got so bad once that the people in St. Thomas blocked the road and asked for the Chinese to do the work instead of the local contractors. That project has been that project has had some issues. Now, they started with 10 local subcontractors, and I think they're down to 3 or 4. One contractor gave up the work, said they can't manage. Some other contractors, though, they had to take the work from them because they couldn't manage. So it's very interesting to see how other road projects will be done. Now, it's safe to say the main contractor will be China Harbor Engineering Company. For instance, the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, China Harbor Engineering Company. The Montego Bay Bypass, that's the Billa Road from Montego Bay to Negril. I mean, it hasn't been announced, but it's going to be China Harbor Engineering Company. Now, will they use local subcontractors on these projects? That is the big question. We don't know. And a better question is, should they use local subcontractors on these projects? Should they? So this road that we're on is a northern coastal highway, and we're actually going through Runaway Bay now. And this road is to be expanded to 4 lanes. It's going to be the most expensive road project in Jamaican history, and one of the largest capital expenditure projects ever in Jamaica, the largest in modern Jamaican history. So should they use local subcontractors on this project? I mean, it's China Harbor Engineering Company as the main contractor, and things have gotten to the point now where they don't even put out these major projects for tender because it's China Harbor Engineering Company that's going to end up with it. I think the opposition had raised an issue once as to why this road project was not put out to tender, but that was just politics because they know why. No local subcontractor can do this kind of project at this time. No, don't get me wrong, some of the local subcontractors have stepped up their game on the Harbor View to Portland leg, and they are performing. Nothing on the level of China Harbor Engineering Company yet. But as I said, I think 3 or 4 contractors out of the 10 are local. These are local subcontractors, are still working on the project. So we'll keep you guys updated. But there was also an announcement that Highway 2000 at Engs in Miami Bay is going to be going to Trelawney. Should local subcontractors be used on those projects? Guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Now, my take is the contractors that did a good job on the Harborview to Portland leg, if they want, give them a section of this road because they performed. Those that did not perform well and the contract had to be taken back, don't use them again. Not for now. But China Harbour Engineering Company needs to be the main contractor, and they need to monitor the local subcontractors better. For example, that Harborview to Portland leg of the highway, they should have taken back the project from the subcontractors long before they did. Long before. And that's one of the reasons why the people had to block the road, because of the inconvenience. Things should have never got to that point.